Hello tubers, well, another vid of the same John Deere dealer in Belgium with another storage completely filled with nice old tractors. This is another LANZ Bulldog ready to hit the road because the license plate is on it. And here there's another collection of old things, old tractors. Well, I don't know anything about John Deere, but it's all old. It looks very old, and to me it's all very old. Look at that. This must be old. Another LANZ. And there, behind it, there's another LANZ. This is a DEUTZ diesel. Another Bulldog. Oh, an unknown type. Oh, this must be old. This must be old. Look at that. Incredible. Look at that. Just turning around. It's an incredible stock. Look at that. I'll just walk around. Just look and enjoy. There's another LANZ. Well, this is something you must recognize. These are John Deere lawn tractors. Well, as you see here in Belgium, made in the USA. We love them. Another John Deere. This is a 4520, so 4520. There is something in between here. This is also a LANZ. It's incredible. This is incredible. And this is only one storage, eh? Look at that. Well, we're going to another storage. This is our Belgian friend who is our guide. Wow, whoa, 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 whoa. Very nice old things. Incredible. This is incredible. Whoa, here's the other. Oh, this is the parts department. The new parts. Alright, tubers, be seeing you. I'll make another vid of outside.